Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. When comparing the speed of Python and C, it's essential to consider that they are designed for different purposes and have different execution models. C is a compiled language that translates source code directly into machine code, which typically results in faster execution times. Python, on the other hand, is an interpreted language, which means it translates code to machine code at runtime, leading to slower execution. Key differences: 1. Compilation versus interpretation. C, compiled into machine code, executed directly by the CPU. Python, interpreted at runtime, which introduces overhead. 2. Static versus dynamic typing. C, statically typed types are known at compile time. Python, dynamically typed types are resolved at runtime. 3. Memory management. C, manual memory management, example using malloc and free. Python, automatic memory management via garbage collection. 4. Performance. C generally runs faster due to lower-level operations and optimizations available at compile time. Code example: factorial calculation. Let's compare the speed of calculating the factorial of a number in both languages. C example. Python example. Running the code. To compare the execution time. 1. Compile and run the C code. Save the C code in a file named factorial.c. Compile it using. Run the compiled program. 2. Run the Python code. Save the Python code in a file named factorial.py. Run the Python script. Expected results. When you run both programs, C, you will typically see that the execution time is significantly less than that of the Python version, especially for larger values of number, like 20 or higher. Python, the execution time will be longer due to the overhead of the interpreter, although for small values it might still be relatively quick. Conclusion. In summary, while Python is easier to write and understand due to its high-level syntax and dynamic typing, C generally outperforms Python in terms of execution speed due to its compiled nature and lower-level operations. Python is often chosen for rapid development and ease of use, while C is preferred for performance-critical applications.